Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tell if something is level. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. So as I said before, this will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial. It's really easy to tell if something is level once you know what to look for. So essentially, you want to make sure that you have a level that is suited for the surface that you're working with. If I was working with a much smaller surface, I would use a much smaller level. Since I'm showing you that this counter is level and it's a large surface, I can use a larger level. So essentially, you want to place the level, which is this tool right here, flat on the surface, okay? And when you place it flat on the surface, you're going to look for a specific marker, okay, a specific tube that is going in the same direction as the surface that you placed it on. So at this level right here, you can see there's this tube, which goes in the same direction as the counter, okay? There's this tube over here, which goes perpendicular to the counter, and this tube over here, which goes perpendicular to the counter as well. You might have 45-degree tubes as well. It's completely dependent upon the level, but you want to look for the one that is in the same direction as the thing that you're trying to see if it's level. So the counter is going in this direction, and I want to see if the counter is level. So I'm looking for the tube that goes in this direction as well, which is that one right there. If the bubble is centered between these two middle lines over here on either side, then your surface is level, okay? If it's to one direction or another direction, then your surface is actually a little bit off level. So you can see right here, if I raise the left side, let's say that the left side was too high. If the left side is too high, the bubble is gonna go to the left, okay? If the right side was too high, the bubble is gonna go to the right. So that's your gauge. If the bubble is in the middle, it's level. If that bubble was perfectly in the middle, okay, it would be perfectly level. As you can see, it is slightly to the left. I would still say this is level, but it's slightly to the left of perfectly center. So that means the left side of this is slightly higher, because as you can see right here, right, when I raise the left part of the level, the bubble goes to the left. So if the bubble is slightly to the left of being perfectly centered, that means the left side is slightly higher. Now, full disclosure, this is my basement kitchen. The previous homeowners had this kitchen installed. The house came with it. So, I don't want you to criticize saying, I can't believe your countertop is not level. Listen, I bought the house. My wife and I, with our kids, my wife and I bought the house. Our kids didn't buy it, but we, as a family, bought the house, and the kitchen came with it. And it's a beautiful kitchen, as you can see, for a basement kitchen. But yes, I don't want any comments saying, I can't believe you let the counter be not perfectly level. It is what it is. That's part of life. So essentially, yeah, that's basically how to tell if something is level, okay? And like I said, you have to work with the surface. Meaning if you're using a smaller surface, you need a smaller level. If I was trying to see if a picture frame was level, I would put that picture frame on the wall, and I would put the level above it, but I would use a much smaller level than this. This is a heavy-duty level, okay? Stanley Extreme, as you can see over here, it's a Stanley Extreme level, okay? No pun intended. It's an extreme level, okay? I would use a much smaller level, a much lighter level. So you got to use a level to work with the situation that you're in. I personally own, I think, maybe 4 levels. This is the largest and most durable one. And then I have a couple that are smaller, lighter. One is like a tiny one for landscaping. Another one's a lightweight, smaller one for pictures. And then I have like a lightweight, longer one if I need to do something like, maybe like at a higher height, or if I'm holding it for a long time, I'm not going to want to hold this for a long time. Okay. So that's basically it. That is how to tell if something is level. An easy tutorial, but also complete tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.